Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe. It helps us out a lot. So, here we go again with Kolee. He seems very popular. From his videos you can see why. Have a look. I've included a link to his channel in the description of this video. Here he's heading towards Southwark Station in South London. I don't think that this is his first catch of the day. If the police comments later on are anything to go by.
If you don't have a YouTube account and you watch my videos, please make one and make sure you subscribe as well. But just matters of public interest.
Well, if it's a public interest, you should let the police know.
Should I?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because the police protect the public.
Okay, well the public interest is how people's tax money is being spent, upkeep of the building, interactions with police constables. Who are you?
Who are you first?
I don't have to identify myself, but you're the one asking questions.
Well, no, you're filming me as I'm going into my place of work. You can imagine if I was filming you and you were going into work, you'd want to know why I was doing it.
Well, if you were doing it from public, I couldn't really have an objection.
No, you would. It'd be an invasion of your privacy.
No, because I can film anything I can see from public. If you're in public, you haven't got any privacy.
Right, okay. So, you're filming people at the police station for the public's benefit?
Yes.
And what are you going to do with these videos?
I don't know, just use it for my own recreation.
Okay, fantastic. Alright, well you carry on as you are.
Good. So, who are you?
I don't need to identify myself.
You don't?
No.
Okay.
I think Kolee let that guy off lightly. Although he wasn't hanging around, was he? Does he need to identify here? He's not acting as a police officer. He is, however, full of questions.
Excuse me?
What are you doing?
I'm just filming.
Why?
Matters of public interest.
Huh?
Matters of public interest.
Alright.
Just people interested in, the upkeep of the building, how their taxes being spent. So who are you? Are you...
Do you understand that filming
Police
outside of a
constable.
police station looks a little bit suspicious?
What are you suspicious of?
Well, why are you filming
Would you
outside the police
identify yourself?
station?
You're just a guy that in
I don't need to
random
identify
dress.
myself to you.
Well, I don't even know who you are, mate. Could you identify yourself, please? Fair enough, if you're a member of the public and you're curious, then I'll tell you, but if you've got a bit of authority or something, then I think you should identify yourself.
Alright mate, there's a guy filming outside the station. No, some bloke walking down.
You just come from the gym or something?
No.
Sorry, who are you?
Right, I'll tell you who I am. My name's PC Allen, I work here at
Okay, thank you, Mr. Allen. I'm not here for an argument or to antagonise
Yeah, but
anyone.
I don't really understand why you're filming outside the station.
I've explained matters of public interest. People are interested in how their tax money is being spent, the upkeep of the building,
Right.
interactions
You
with
can
police
understand
officers.
From my perspective, right?
Yeah.
Terrorist risk at the moment is substantial.
Okay.
It's quite strange that as a member of the public, you're stood outside the police station filming. Yeah.
So what are you implying? Do you
So
think
what
I'm a terrorist?
exactly are you filming?
I've explained it, sir.
Right.
So the terrorist risk is substantial, is it? When was the last time a police station was attacked by a terrorist?
Luckily, not recently.
Would you actually...
The threat level for the UK from terrorism is set by the Joint Terrorism Analysis Centre. I've added a link in the description of the video. The level has been elevated to critical twice over the past 13 years, following the London Bridge and the Manchester Arena attacks.
Do you actually know when was the last time?
No.
Okay. It's a bit of a strong word to be using.
Alright, guys.
You right, mate?
Hello, good morning.
Morning,
I'm well,
how are
yourself?
you?
Can you not surround me, please?
Okay, what's going on?
I'm just filming.
For why?
Matters of public interest.
Go on, what are the public interests?
I've already explained it to...
Okay, well you can explain it to me.
What if you'd like to explain, sir?
Do you want to explain to me?
I've already explained it to this gentleman.
I know, but I'm not talking to you, I'm asking you.
Okay, matters of public interest, people are interested in the upkeep of the building, where their taxpayer money is being spent, stuff like that. Is that all good? I don't need to give my name.
That's true.
Would you mind giving your name?
I can if there's a policing purpose for it. But
Well, yeah, do you not have to identify yourself, sir?
Yes, I was a police officer.
Well, I don't know if you're a police officer, to be
Didn't say
fair.
that at all.
Well, if you're asking me questions, you might have some...
It's just weird that you're recording outside a police station at this time of day with nobody.
I've explained, man. Would you mind identifying yourself? Section 43, yeah? So have you got to be reasonable suspicion that I'm a terrorist?
Section 43. 'Cause I don't
Right, what
understand why
suspicion
is
have you
it-
got
my
that I'm a
name's
terrorist?
Fox,
Alright
okay?
then. Go on then, get on with
You're
it.
going to be searched on section 43.
Alright. What
Terrorism
suspicion have you got
Act.
that I'm a terrorist?
The fact that you're recording outside the police station.
Oh, I hear that,
I'm
I
gonna
hear that, I
search
hear that.
you.
No, you can.
Yeah, it's just a bit weird that you're searching that. You're standing outside.
What suspicion?
Pass this, take this off as well.
Can I just leave it there?
Yeah, put it on the floor.
Yeah?
Take this off as well.
Section 43. What reasonable grounds have you got that I'm a terrorist?
Alright, you're doing something.
What are you expecting to find? What are you expecting to find?
We're not sure yet.
Police station is obviously a high risk of terrorist threat, and that is why we decided to search you today. Alright?
High risk of terrorist threat? What? What does that mean? What have I done that's suspicious?
As I've said, you're filming outside of a police station.
Why I'm recording, sir.
You've not given a good reason for
I'm
why
not
you're
giving
doing
a reason.
so.
I said matter of public interest to upkeep of the building. How people...
No, you could do a freedom of information request if you really felt that way.
Freedom of information request what? What am I requesting? None of you got body worn camera on.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, thank you. So what were you expecting to find on me, sir? Do you mind if I grab the phone, yeah?
Yeah, I'm absolutely.
Alright, so what were you expecting to find on me? What were the grounds for the search?
So the reason I stopped it here is, it's interesting what Marty McFly says next. How many times have you been filming outside police stations? So they must have got comms? Yes? What do you think? The two of them look very sheepish here.
Do you mind answering the question?
How many times have you been filming outside of the police
I'm
station?
not going to answer that question.
So what were you expecting to find on me?
I don't know what I was expecting to find on
So
you.
what were the
That's
grounds for the
I searched
search?
you.
Filming isn't enough grounds for
As
the
I
search,
said
is
to
it?
you,
Section 43 again. Do you
Section
know why it was
43
introduced? Do you
gives
know
the
why it was
police officer
introduced?
a power to search
Why was
someone who
Section
they
43
reasonably
introduced?
suspect to be a terrorist. Reasonably
What
suspect
do you
is a 2 out of 10
Okay.
on the register.
2 out of 10. So what do you reasonably suspect of me being a terrorist?
Because you're filming outside
this
of
how-
a police
is
station.
this how you detain a terrorist?
Police stations are obviously
Why have you not
a
put me in cuffs
high
then? Why have you
value
not put me in cuffs? I
target
would
for
hope that-
terrorists. So from our perspective,
I'll
we're
explain.
wondering why you're stood out here filming, doing something which we would
I'll
consider
explain,
hostile
sir.
reconnaissance.
It's not hostile
alright?
reconnaissance. Someone doing hostile
It
reconnaissance
could
would
be,
do it covertly.
and that's why we suspect and why we need to search you.
Hostile reconnaissance would be done covertly.
It doesn't have to be.
Take that back.
It doesn't have to be, but... So why was Section 43 introduced in the first place?
See, that's the thing. A lot of people got nothing to do. I was eating my breakfast.
So what have you got to do? Unlawful searches? Is that what you do, yeah?
Have you got nothing to do with your life?
I've got nothing to do with my life. Nah,
can tell.
COVID's got us doing stuff like this. Alright, you're dismissed, yeah?
Dismissed.
Yeah, you're dismissed, yeah.
So what do you think? What is this 2 out of 10 scale that is enough grounds to search someone under the Terrorism Act? Again, do they need to identify? Where is this policy that states that they need to? Maybe if they had a WhatsApp group, they could stay better connected. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you next time. These slides deal with copyright. If you would like to read them, please pause the video.